Our topic is about variable. Now suppose you have a box and inside that box you can store equipments and things. So similarly variable is like a container and inside that container you can store equipment, you can store numbers, you can store strings and fractional numbers, etc. Now for variable we need three things. First thing is name. Now you have to choose a proper name. You cannot choose a Python keyword as a name. The second thing is assignment operator, and the third thing is the number which you want to store inside that variable. Now let's create a variable. So select a proper name for that variable. For example, our variable name is var, and then we use assignment operator. This is not equal sign. According to Python, it is assignment operator, and after that the number which we want to store inside that variable. Now our variable is ready. If you want to print that variable, so you have to write print and after that small bracket, and inside that small bracket we simply write the variable name without speech marks or double quote. Now just run it and you can see that it is appear on the terminal window. Now let's make a second variable. So for the second variable, its name will be different from the first variable. So for example, var2 is our second variable name. After that, assignment operator, and after that I want to store a string. Now for string I will place a double quote, and inside that double quote, for example, I'm writing my name Muhammad Qasim. Now our variable is ready, and inside that variable Muhammad Qasim is stored. If you want to print that variable, so for that simply write print and then small bracket and the second variable name. Let's run it and you can see that Muhammad Qasim appear on terminal window. Now if you want to store some floating value inside a variable, so for that select a variable name, but it will be different from the above variable. For example, its name is var3 assignment operator and then 2.5. The third variable is ready. Now print it, print and var3. Now let's run it. Now you can see that 2.5 also appear on terminal window. So thank you for watching the video.